Ungqongqotjhe uMantashe uthi lo nyaka ophelile ubunzima kakhulu kweyithinta izimayini.
We are believing in South Africa that a safe mining industry is a productive industry. Because if the industry is dangerous, it can't be productive. So we pay a lot of attention to the South African mining industry. In 2022 recorded the lowest number of fatalities recorded in the history of mining.
uMantashe ukholwa ukuthi kumele kuphephe imayini zehle nezibalo zabashonayo. uGwede Mantashe uthi lo nyaka ubunzima ngempela emkhakheni wezimayini kakhulukazi njengoba kunenkinga yogesi nje kuleli izwe.
The year 2022 has been difficult year for the world and Africa in particular. It is a year in which international and domestic factors negatively affected mining production and mineral sales.
Ungqongqotjhe wezimayini Saudi Arabia uKhalid bin Salah uthi kuyintokozo enkulu kubona njengezwe ukuthi babe ingxenye yale ngqungquthela.
I wish to reiterate our excitement in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia about partnering with current and prospective mining jurisdiction here in Africa. We learned a tremendous amount during our own mineral and metal transformation, and we need to continue learning from our peers with decades of experience.
NginguCalvin wakwadludla endabeni ze-SABC.